on Fish. I'm using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with a DJI Mic 2 that it did not have to reset up. Today, I have to go to either Home Depot or Lowe's and look for a 4.5-inch junction box plate. If not, I just need to get like an outlet or a switch cover that's in full. I am on my third file scene shot, and let me tell you, if I have photos, I'm not sure why. Insta can't answer me that question either. So what I need to do, to ease my mind is to go film and show and share. But nobody else has these issues. Why rush to a red light? Why is there a rush to get to a light when it changes? Gas, man, it's like $4.69. I filled up for $4.55 yesterday. Oh yeah, maybe we'll catch the sun rising. This computer system's all whacked out on the Honda. Yeah, maybe I should go bring the car in now, but hey, it's good to go. All the plants, the flowers, we're out in Lowe's. Let's go get a parking spot. Once again, I just lost my phone like that. I gotta go find it. I'll be right back. The seat all the way up. I have to go to the back of the car just to get in here. That's where my phone went. And I can't get my hands in there to get it out because it's jammed in there like it's no tomorrow. Let me not drop this piece. This is what I gotta go for. Now, I could put the cover on this side and cover things up, but I just want to make sure I get the right piece. I don't know if you saw it, but here it is right there. We got new firmware. I don't even know what it's about. Let's go in. The gates are down on the other side. They're not going to stop yet. Sitting there and just putting in the change, and it just keeps coming out because I forgot to hit the pay now. Turn it around, Fish. Capture that sunrise beaming in your eyes. I had a little trouble trying to film what I wanted to film to show the pieces that there's no cover for these things at all. There's no, solid covers. I had to get a plate cover for an outlet. Not a big deal, only cost $1, so it kind of worked out in my favor. I gotta go meet up with Joe big time, man. He's gonna do me some favors today. And I gotta go take a beeswax, man. Take care of all this beeswax and all the promises. Nothing there. Just nothing. I don't get these promised people. Well, we're heading on out, getting on where we need to go, and I gotta go do some work covering up a big hole. All right. right, where are we all in a rush to that we can't see what's in front of us? Now look at that sunrise. Look at that water. Oh yeah, man. That's just a beautiful shot. If I was to get down there and look. I just pulled over here because it's open. Not like the other shot, but it's still a shot. I'm Fish. Welcome to the Insta360 family. Yeah! Which cameras do you like best? Insta, DJI, GoPro, Extra, Picasso, and many, many more. I'll see you on the next adventure. Have a great one, everybody.